Good day, everyone. I'm excited to kick off Lesson 1 of Project Management, a short course for practical success. Today, we'll explore the definitions and importance of project management, setting the foundation for your journey. Think about a project in your life, like planning a big event, and how understanding these basics could make it smoother. This slide introduces our topic, so let's dive in with enthusiasm. Key takeaway: project management is your key to turning chaos into success. In this lesson, we're building the essentials of project management by defining core terms and their business value. From projects and stakeholders to constraints, you'll see how these elements create structured processes for achieving goals. This fits into our course by laying the groundwork for skills and techniques in later lessons. For example, imagine managing a team project at work. Knowing these concepts helps align everyone and avoid pitfalls. Stay engaged. By the end, you'll feel empowered to apply this immediately. Key takeaway: these basics are the backbone of effective execution. Let's break down the building blocks. A project is a temporary endeavor with unique deliverables, like launching a new product. Project management involves using skills and tools to lead teams and meet requirements within constraints. Stakeholders are individuals or groups affected, such as team members or clients. For instance, in organizing a wedding, the project includes deliverables like the venue setup, and stakeholders are the couple and vendors. This context shows how these terms apply to real life. Key takeaway: clear definitions prevent misunderstandings. Reflect on how this changes your approach. Now, let's delve deeper. Scope defines project boundaries, deliverables are the tangible results, and the triple constraint, scope, time, and cost, balances everything. For example, in a software development project, scope is the feature set, deliverables are the final code, and constraints ensure it's on time and budget. This provides context for managing expectations. Engage by considering your own projects. These concepts make planning precise. Key takeaway: mastering constraints leads to better control and success. Why does this matter? Project management offers structure for complex initiatives, ensuring timely delivery and efficient resources. It manages stakeholder expectations and risks, driving innovation. Picture a small business launching a website. It keeps the project on budget, meets deadlines, and satisfies clients. This context highlights real value. Think about how it could streamline your work. Key takeaway: in business, it's the tool for turning ideas into achievements. Let's see this in action with software development. Here, you define scope, set budgets, and manage teams to launch successfully. For instance, a tech company uses these to deliver an app on time, meeting user needs without overruns. This provides context for applying definitions practically. Engage by relating it to your experiences. It's about making projects work seamlessly. Key takeaway: real-world use proves these concepts drive efficiency. Building on that, consider a marketing campaign. It involves goal setting, tracking metrics, and risk management for a successful launch. For example, a retail business increases sales by aligning stakeholders and monitoring progress. This context shows how to adapt concepts to dynamic settings. Key takeaway: these examples emphasize flexibility and results. Reflect on how you'd use this in your life. Time to apply it. Describe a task's goal, list deliverables, identify stakeholders, and note resources. For example, organizing an event. Goal is a smooth gathering, deliverables include invitations, stakeholders are attendees, and resources are time and budget. This exercise reinforces learning. Try it now for hands-on insight. Key takeaway: application builds confidence in using these tools. Let's cover our support tools. Call-out boxes offer quick tips, quizzes to test knowledge, and resources provide extras. For instance, a quiz on the triple constraint checks your grasp. This context makes the lesson interactive. Key takeaway: these features enhance retention. Use them to solidify your understanding. Wrapping up, structured approaches lead to success through resource use and innovation. Key takeaways: project management is essential for efficiency, and early planning prevents issues. For example, apply checklists in your projects for better outcomes. This provides context for moving forward. Key takeaway: you've got the tools, now use them. Start integrating this. Use checklists for stakeholders or timelines for constraints in your projects. For example, in a work task, this could mean efficient planning and reduced stress. This context empowers you to act. Key takeaway: immediate application leads to real improvements. Reflect and try it. You finished Lesson 1, celebrate that. Move to Lesson 2, track your growth, and explore communities or certifications. For instance, join a group to discuss skills. This context sets you up for success. Key takeaway: keep building. Your journey is just starting.